pics. Okay, let's do that again. I'm just testing.
My eyes are closed.
Yep, almost, sort of. Catch you guys. Nice. That's looking good. 1, 2, 3. One more. Thank you. See you.
I love these pics. It's about to be my profile pic.
What you do is your eye. Okay, let's do that again. Let's do that again. now.